bird show. Let's go in. Bird there. Open the Daddy's party. Oh, it's time. Let's see. Big heart bird. Bird show.
Right, here they come. Stand in the center. Come on, everybody. Clap your hands to the right hand.
They're so cute.
Wow. Look at this move, bro. You like it? I love it. Yo, same as yesterday. Woo. It gives me goosebumps. Wow. Okay, kids, mommy and daddy, what can you say about their dancing? How they dance good? Yes.
He's a lovely boy, 6 years old. Coco, we are in Dubai. What is the first thing we say for respect for people?
Kaka, say hello to everyone in Arabic.
Walaikum assalam to everybody. Coco, would you like to ask them how they're doing?
Kaka, ask everybody, how are you?
How are you? Alhamdulillah, we're doing very well. Coco, show them who's your best friend. The cat. And who's that friend who takes your food and run outside? The doggy.
Funny.
He's a good boy. Coco, when you see a beautiful girl, what do you do?
Nice.
Only kidding. Imagine all kids have their birthday today. What do we sing to them? Happy birthday to all the kids out here. Alright, Coco, when we go home, what do we say to our friends? I need two people to join me. This lady sitting doing nothing, come. And you, come. Okay, two of them. We're going to take a magic card. Yeah, it's okay. Come. Join me on right, on my left. Hi, what's your name? Rita. Suffering. Is it okay? Let's see, is it the horse? It's
What's
a
that?
Bako. It's a Bako, DJ. Clap your hand for John, everybody. This is love. Thank you so much. And now coming two birds, a boy and a girl. Now with these birds, what's going to happen? It's something different. Why? Because these birds look different because their mouth is more bigger than their body.
That's
One of my favorite
interesting.
birds from Brazil. Welcome, the toucans.
The Tucanos from South America.
Okay, we need to go up.
Give away, please.
Okay, this is a part to walk, so don't sit on it, please. Okay, now friends, look at me now. What's gonna happen? We're gonna put some food. It's okay, sir. You can sit down. We're gonna push it up all the way. The bird is gonna fly to your hand just like this. Gonna sit and eat. After feeding, you close your palm. The bird flies back to the trainer. Okay, I need one mommy and one daddy who's not scared. Come. Mommy, stand here. Raise your right hand. What's your name? Nicolene, back. Remember, do not eat the food, huh? Okay, just kidding. Now, who's the boy, who's the girl in them? It's very simple. Just hold it for a second. The one flying to your hand is the girl. How do you know it? By the size of the mouth. The small mouth is always the girl. The big mouth is always the boy.
The small mouth is girl.
The small mouth is girl only in birds. In real life, it's opposite. Come. Raise your hand. What's your name? Fahad. Keep it up steady, brother. 1, 2, go. And fly. They are beautiful. They are amazing. Fantastic. All joy. They are found mostly in Brazil in the Amazon rainforest, the largest forest in the world. Close it down. Good job. Everybody clap your hands for Ria. Thank you. Hi. Excuse me. There you go. Thank you for your joy. DJ. Now we are the hawk.
Recognized as the fastest flying birds in the world, falcons can reach up to the speed of 240 kilometers per hour.
That's right. Now friends, if you want to take a picture with the bird, I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to give you a close. The bird is going to fly to your hand to take a picture just like this. They're going to fly. They love to punt all the way. They are awesome. One of you will hold a picture bird, and after the show, others can take a picture standing beside. Hawk, you are always used to wear a gloves because it will scratch your hand. Thank you, Hans. Appreciate it. DJ, I'm gonna. Which team you want?
My favorite color.
Which one?
Green.
Green. My team is white. You will choose. Who wants white? Hands up.
You will lose.
Only 6.
No one supporting, bro.
7. Who wants green?
Yes, we will win. Yeah.
Majority. Hey, you will lose. 1, 2, go. Come on, white. Come on, white.
Come on, green. Come on, green. And the winner is... Yala, tal. Yes, green team.
Nice.
I told you, bro.
Hey, why? It's okay. It's 1-0. We are playing 3 rounds. Okay, the next round is on the table, alright? Basketball on the table. Let's see who is going to win this round. But DJ, this time I'm going to be the one to choose the team.
Okay, deal.
Okay, let's see who's going to win this time. We have new players. So I will choose first, alright? So you are 1, I am 0.
1-0.
Who is playing for his team? Can I see your hands up?
Green. Yes, good.
My team? Oh, now before 6, now 5. Okay. DJ, this time I will play team. Hey, let's go. Go on, Muda. Let's go.
What? Come on, green.
Come on, Gray.
Okay, 1-1.
1-1.
By the way, do we have a judge today?
Huh?
Judge.
If you will cheat, we will ask the judge. Okay, let's go. Last round. 1-1. Let's see who's gonna win the final race.
Come on, green.
1, 2, go.
Yes, faster. Yes,
Come on, green. Come on,
yes, and the winner is green.
Yeah. We win.
Hey, bro, stop cheating. You can ask your judge if you want. Come on.
Okay, judge decision final.
Yes.
Okay, no cheating, huh? Hey, you know this girl?
Who?
This one. She's my good friend.
Your good friend?
Yeah.
She is my lovely sister.
Okay, she will tell you. Who will? DJ or me? Who?
Who? Oh, see?
We?
Me.
She said me.
No, me.
Me? I don't know. She's Thank you so much, Laura. Okay, now, Imsik. Catherine, come. Okay, why are you angry? Okay, 1, 2, let's go, Jackie. Let's fly the world. 1, 2, power! You sit down. Next round. 1, 2, bring her. Come, John Picasso. DJ, tell us something about Picasso.
There are 16 living species of the cockatoos in the world, and these parrots are famous in Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Indonesia, and they live in very big groups. The groups of birds are called the flock, and they can live up to thousands of families.
Alright, DJ, yes. It looks like a butterfly, she said.
But how about you, bro?
A bird. For me, fire. Yes. A falcon? It looks like a falcon.
Falcon.
Ooh, can be anything, yes. Bird, okay, this side. Chuchufu. Bird. Falcon. You cannot see. Alright. Who said that? Mountains. Alright. Bird. Falcon. Yes, princess. Flower? Bird. Okay, we got different answers. DJ, I want to see what do you think it looks
You
like.
first, bro.
I think it's a fire.
Like what?
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Yeah, what do you think it looks like?
For me, it's a fruit. Yeah.
A what?
It's look like a fruit.
Fruit.
Yeah.
Which fruit looks like this?
Fruit salad.
Okay.
Yes, fruit salad.
Okay, let's ask the master. Is this fruit salad? No! I said fire. They said like a bird, a falcon, parrot. No?
No.
How about rainbow?
Hey, what is that, bro?
It's an animal jumping on the tree. Monkey. You know, there are 260 species of monkeys in the world right now.
260?
I know some of them.
That's all. Okay, give me one.
John, is it chimpanzee? No. You
How
give me
about
one.
something look like gorilla?
Something look like gorilla?
Yes, something look.
Okay. What looks like gorilla?
By the way, bro, what is your favorite fruit?
I love banana.
Why you love banana?
Very easy to eat.
Do you know how the sounds of the monkey, bro?
Yeah.
How? How many species of monkey?
You heard what they said?
Yeah.
You monkey, you monkey.
How many species of monkey?
260.
No, you are wrong.
Why?
261.
Hey John, don't listen to them. You are telling all these people I look like a... What are you looking, man? Stop looking at me. You are telling this is my face like a gorilla. My face.
Hey, stop looking at me also, huh?
What? DJ and me together? Oh, we are together. Alright, everybody clap your hands for me, boy. Thank you so much. Okay, for this round, I need the girl in the white. Come down. The boy in the green. Bravo! Good job. Thank you. Come. Sit down, Arthur. Thank you. Right hand. Are you scared? We don't have to be scared, man. We are boys. 1, 2. I'm gonna help you. Let's go. Open your hand. See, you're not scared. Everybody clap your hands. Bravo. Thank you. Come. Ready to go? You know what you have to do, right? Raise it up. Keep smiling. 1, 2. Come on, clap your hands. We are all family around. Beautiful. Love. Thank you so much. Have a seat. Come. Hi, what's your name? Priya, I want you to join me with some money. 5 dirham, 10 dirham, anything. Give it to me. The higher, the better. Bring some money. 50, 100,
Euros, dollars,
anything.
properties. What properties, man?
Priya, higher, the better. Anything big. Bring and come. Yeah, come. It's okay. Come join us here. Now, Priya, where do you come from? Where's that? South Asia side, I think. Okay. Now, you believe in magic? So. I want you to catch the money on 2 fingers like this. Okay, hold it steady. Do not shake it. Everybody watch out. Alright, we're gonna play a magic show. Ali Baba is walking out. Take the money. Assalamu alaikum. He is gonna take it and he's never coming back. Kalas.
Why is never coming back, bro?
Because there's 2 reasons.
What?
1, this is how we collect our salary. Second, she was not in my team.
No, we have to give the money back, bro. Come on.
Okay, you give us 5, right? What do you want back in return?
Double.
Double? Okay, greedy Priya, open your hand. He's gonna drop 10, 20, 100, it's all yours. Whatever it drops, close your hand. Go. Let's find out what she's gonna get. Close your hand.
What is that, bro?
Close your palm. Can I see it? It's a gift voucher. Clap your hands. Come on, everybody. It's a lucky day. Let's see what you receive.
And what it says, bro?
He says, Priya, thank you for your donation.
No.
Now open your hand. You give the money back. Come on, Alibaba. It's time to be a good boy. Come on, close your palm. Everybody clap it up for Priya and Alibaba.
That's
Thank
so
you.
cool.
Have a seat. Thank you so much. You want to play with more money? Friends, come on. Love straight. Move it. Blue.
Daraja, Hawaii.
is the third largest bird in the world, the third largest parrot, the golden blue macaw.
How about the largest parrots in the world?
It's called the hyacinth, some call them the blue macaw.
Makes
Right.
sense. You can do it.
We're gonna go one more round.
One more station. Yellow puddle.
All the time.
Let's do it again.
Push it up, push it up, push it up.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Okay, DJ, I have a question for you.
What's that?
When you were in the school, what was your favorite subject?
Science.
Science, okay. When you were in school, what do you like to study? Physical, not my friend. What do you like to study? Math. Okay. Biology. What happened, Danny? What do you like to study when you're in school? Physics? Okay. Danny, what do you like to study when you're back in school? Nothing? Good. Now, you know, I love to study magic.
Magic?
I was thrown out of my school for magic. Today I'm going to do a magic show. If anybody catch me doing the magic show, you see two big boxes there, you will get one of them, okay? But you have to keep your eyes on me if you want to win it. Look, it's a simple magic, very simple trick. A ball in the middle, 3 cups, normal cups, okay? One will cover the cup, ball. I'm going to shuffle. When I stop, you shout the number. 1, 2 or 3. I will pick it up. If you're the one right, come take the chocolate box home. Is it okay?
Yes.
Let's go practice round. Let's see who's quick, okay? Abracadabra. Which number? 2,
Bro,
1.
you would have this one.
No, it's heavy, man.
It's okay. This one's okay.
Are you ready? It's okay. Are you sure? Okay, we're gonna give it. Okay, 1. Let's see who's gonna get it. Okay, it's a practice round. One more, little faster. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the ball?
Wow, they are good.
Hey, listen to mommy, daddy. Okay, now final. In the final, you are right. I will ask the first person. Come take the box home. New Year gift. DJ,
Yeah.
have you ever seen an illusion?
No.
Watch today. 1, 2. Let's go.
Hey, faster. Hey, what is this? Faster, faster, faster. And stop.
You know, when I was back in my school, my college, they used to always wonder, ask me how. Hey, wait. I told you the first. Stand up. Stand up. I think he gets the chocolate box. What's your name? Muhammad. Where's the ball? Wait. Hey, relax. Where's the ball? No ball. Lady, you agree no ball. What's your name?
No chocolate.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. No chocolate.
Please, come on.
Okay, one more time. This girl in the red. Come. Okay, she will be the one to mix the cup, not me, okay? Okay, come. What's your name? Okay, Asal, I want you to mix the cup. Okay, let's go. Everybody clap your hand.
Wow. She's good. Be sure to
Asal, when
watch
you
it.
finish, one here, one there, one there. Okay, back to your seat. I don't know where's the cup. Asal is the one mix. Thank you, sit down. Spasiba. Where's the ball, Blue?
Let's talk about the real magic. What's this? Wow.
Wait. Who wants to know how did a bird find the ball? Who wants to know? Yeah, if I tell you, the company will throw me outside. DJ, tell everybody they're awesome, they're amazing. Alright, let's welcome.
You wanna see the largest eagle in the world? Akbal Mr. Bel Alam. Here comes Andre.
The giant.
Andre the giant weighs about 4.5 kilos and he is found in Russia.
That's humongous.
Andre the giant is the largest Steller sea eagle in the world. It's the only one eagle in Dubai. It is with us. Now, if you are a tourist, do not forget to take picture with him because he's marked to be one of the wonders in Dubai. They are amazing, they are fantastic.
Awesome! It's beautiful!
One of you will wear the gloves. You can raise it up all the way. Come on, big boy. You can do it together. You're gonna fly jet, yes. He's gonna take a
That's
picture just like this. He's a lovely boy. You can all come to take a picture to mark to be one of the wonders. Thank you, Hans. Appreciate it all the way with trainer all joy. Thank you. Alright, look this side. Somebody flying down. A national bird of Brazil.
The sun conures.
Okay, this is called stress relief. If you are stressed, you come down. Sunflower seeds on your hand. Mashallah, look. They're gonna come down to eat all the food. They love eating. How to do it? Trainer will be giving a food bottle. It's only a 25 dirham. You buy one food, share in your family, it's okay. Now today we have a special discount for a family picture as you all got discount for the bird show. If you take picture with the largest eagle in the world, it's for 150, but today you get it for 100 only. If you want picture with the 3 big birds, it's for 100, but you get it for 50 itself. My name is Sid.
DJ Cast.
Trainers are Trainer Tiamo, Trainer Mervin, Trainer Ronnie, Trainer Hans, and student Ronnie at the gate helping us along. Thank you for joining us. Feeding will start now. Picture after 2 minutes. Exit is open. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalam.
Please don't forget.
Guys, finished! But there's a lot of crazy birds. What? There. There's like a baby kid. Like baby kids that are getting around. Guys, I'm at the bird show. Thank you for the bird show. Thank you. Look up. Let's go. You can still watch me moving. Guys, I had so much fun at the Crick Car Bird Show. Oh, hey, little birdie. You're so cute. Oh, hey, little birdie. Oh, hey, little silly bird. Oh, hi, silly bird. Oh, hey, little one. Oh, there's one last one here. Hey, little bird. That one's so funny. And don't forget to watch all my videos. And don't forget to like, subscribe.